And today I have a special Easter surprise video. And I have a guest, my cousin Katie. Hi, I'm Katie. Okay, so I'm thanking Leslie, Olivia, and Lucas for giving us a Kinder Surprise eggs. So now I will open up my Kinder egg. So, let's see. So it's a little toy you throw, I think. And it's supposed to like fly. Something. That's pretty cool. So. Now Katie's gonna open up her egg. Okay. I think we might get the same thing. Yeah. Thanks. I got a little body. I think you got like a wolf or something. With a little head, and now I will have to build it for you guys to see. Here's like the map where it lives, I think. And it's not allowed for babies, but here's all the animals you can get. And you have to, if you want to play a game or something, I think, you have to call www.2magic.com. So now I will build it up. Sorry guys, this is a little slippery, but I'm going to have my cousin Olivia help me. So, let me build it. Put the camera onto her. Thank you. Okay, this little thing together. And then you'll be seeing us eat the chocolate. You won't be seeing us with it. Whatever. We'll be eating the chocolate at the end of the video. So that's the little toy. It's pretty cute. Now I put some of the chocolate. Wow, it's pretty good. That's good. Tastes like mint. That's good. Kinder chocolate's like the best. So that's the video for today. Bye.